Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Roliki Gunie and I'm a college student of Makassar State of University or Universitas Negeri Makassar. So I'm here to introduce you guys one of the famous attraction that near of my home. The attraction called Kambira or in English called Baby Graves. Okay, the highlands of the Tanah Toraja offer an exciting mix of culture and nature. I list the best things to do in Tato. Okay, let's. Okay, its condition around of Kambira. There is a tongkonan and there's a shop that you usually buy some traditional souvenirs. Okay, let's run into there. Guys, to give you a quick history and cultural lesson, the people of Kambira believed that babies who died before they grew their milk teeth were sacred. It's the condition around. The people from Kambira will carve the hole into the trunk. Okay, the people from Kambira will carve a hole into the trunk of a jackfruit tree and place the baby in it. As you can see, guys, it's the tree of baby graves. Over time, the living tree will grow around the hole.
Oh, karena itu pas giliran itu namanya pohon tara. Adatnya dia itu pas giliran kalau anak-anak satu meninggal cuma satu babi dipotong,
Satu babi
dimasak di situ di bambu, baru dimakan tidak pakai nasi. Cuma itu daging saya dimakan dan
dibakar baru dimakan.
tidak ditaruh juga di daun pisang. Ditaruh di daun kayu-kayu sembarangan di situ ditaruh. Bisa sepotong.
Iya.
Lama-lama hancur mie.
Okay guys, it's all. Enjoy this video and thank you for watching. Stay safe.